All right, January 12th. Today's our first snow. First initial snow for Kentucky here. Looks like we got quite a bit. Still more to come. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get my drone up before it starts doing it again. And then probably get a little side-by-side action out. So see what that's like. Anytime it does this, you got to get that side-by-side out. Have some fun. We'll see what happens. All right, I've changed into a little bit warmer gear because it's cold out here. So I got to sweep off the little portion of the deck so I can get the drone up. And I'm also going to get the side-by-side out now. So let's see what we can get into.